I was hanging out with my cousin one night. We were talking about all the old video games we used to play at his house. We played games like Minecraft, Battlefront 2, LEGO Battles, and of course, Tom Clancy's Rainbow Six Vegas 2. We only ever played the terrorist hunt game mode, but that was enough for me. I remember trying to create tactics to beat it, but we never managed to win. It was just too hard for us back then. So, I downloaded it and gave it another shot. The game was exactly as I remember, except it looked a little dated since it's from 2008. That gave me an idea. Since I was trying to up my game on lighting and graphics in Unity, I figured why not try to recreate Rainbow Six Vegas 2. So that's exactly what I did. I finished the first version in a week. Roll the time lapse.
Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back.
Yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that. I know you like that. How long you been back, man? I see the girls in the club, they getting wild for me. And all the pretty chicks all wanna smile at me. These rap cats, man, they all got this style from me. And if I ever see them, man, they probably bow to me. And when this beat drop, I know they gon' lean. World debut, I know they gon' fiend. Everything Mississippi to the Palm Springs. Girls from brunettes down to blonde queens. These young boys don't know what a Don mean. I'm just a bad boy gone clean. I'm the diamond chain choker, always remain sober. Don't drink liquor and all the game's over. Need a plane, I explained it to my broker. 3 box in the hood, top down, and ain't over. You know there's more, man, where that come from? Me and Kuda Love rolling back to back in one. See the names have all changed since I've been around, but the game ain't the same since I left out.
I completed my goal, and I got the first version done in a week. I learned so much from focusing on the lighting, and now I feel confident in my abilities. Taking some time to make a very small project like this is worth it, and I'm very happy with how it turned out. Now, here's some gameplay from one of the test versions.
Holding position. There. Holding position. Holding position. Who's there? Holding position. Holding position. Who's there? Holding position. Holding position. Holding position. Who's there? Holding position. Who's there? Holding position. Holding position. Who's there? Who's there? Holding position. Holding position. Holding position. Who's there? Who's there?
And that's it for now. You can download the game and try to beat all the difficulty settings on itch.io. Link is in the description. I plan on making more of these videos in the future. Let me know which kind of project you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.